So here we have this Brynberg vintage wooden chest. Now this thing looks super cool. It's got a lot of cool details on it, so let me give you a closer look at it. Alright, so opening this thing up, we can see on the inside there's a little lock and a couple keys. It's a really simple lock. You just stick the key in and that pops it open. Then you can just push it down to lock it shut. And then taking a look at the trunk, it's made of wood. It has a gray stain and a smooth finish on it. There's also quite a few details on here, like the faux leather straps and these metal buttons that look like brass. There's also this metal latch in the center, and it's kind of spring loaded, so if you shut it, it'll stay shut. But you can also take this lock it came with and slide it through here just like this and lock it shut that way. It also has these metal handles on the side. They look pretty cool as well, the same brass patina. They do feel a bit oily though, like whatever finish on them is kind of rubbing off. But anyway, opening it up, here's a look at the inside. I think the inside is just stained and there's no actual finish on it. I do like these hinges on the back though that kind of keep it open at a certain angle. That looks pretty cool. As far as sturdiness goes though, this honestly isn't the most sturdy chest. The top is made of a pretty thin plywood. If I wanted to, I could probably break it just by pushing on it. You can see on the side here just how thin it is. It's probably about an 1/8 inch thick. You can see the sides are a bit thicker. They're about a 1/4 inch thick. And then the bottom feels a little bit thicker as well. Another issue I have with this, which may just be the one I got, but it doesn't quite sit flat. It's a little bit wobbly. So yeah, it's not the most sturdy, especially on the top. You definitely do have to be a little bit more careful with this. But overall, it looks pretty cool, and assuming the wobbliness is not a common issue, then I think for the price, this is a decent treasure chest or trunk.